Bigay palad.
Kailangan may energy na tayo para which in turn thank you, sir. Kanina pong dahil sa different parts of the dance floor. I love it. Yes, CR. Sa CR, pwede mo. Let's go. You can turn around. Yes. Woo! Wow! Once again, let's put our hands together for Mr. Mark Alano. Oh, no? Thank you so much, Mr. Mark Alano. And of course, inaanak sa kasal. Sir Apollo. Mas malakas sa palakpakan. Once again, let's give it up for Nino Fred. Ano mo yun? Bakit pinaglalaki po kami? Just know mo. Our birthday girl today. Meron po akong narinig kanina na request. Ano po ulit yun? Hindi mo po, 5 minutes. So, tayo po ay bibilang. Pagkakulagi sila, on my count, 5 seconds, ready, get set, go! Kaya, ito ang ulit mo! One second na lang. Ready? Get set. Six na lang. Sige, six na lang. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Masaya! Masaya!
Saka yung porter. Alam mo, kung pupunta kayo doon, tapos sumapot yun. Dali ka kaya,
Pinapadagdag yung bayad.
hindi, wala. Oo, kasalanan nila yun. Kasi corrupted yung usapin. Kasalanan nila yun.
Baka gusto mo magka-camping kami.
Ha?
Sumama kayo.
Kailan? Saan?
And I would like to greet my sister, Royda, being the youngest among the 5 siblings in the family. And she's so fortunate at this point in time we reached the age of 70 plus. She still has a complete family of her own. And as you can see, buhay pa po si Winnie. Pero kami po dalawang kapatid na nakikira. And pareho na po kami widow. And widow. And as the days going na, lahat yata ng blessings na binigay nyo sa kay Lord hardworking, very generous, and as you can see, mas beautiful siya kesa sa amin. Pero beautiful po. Hindi pa po makakamay itong aking sasabihin. Kasi limited lang po sa 2 minutes yata. And thank you for gracing your kanyang
Yan po, ang trio ng PLM. Alright, let's take a picture with the Ivy, the Vilma, Ate Leslie. Okay. Alright. Mas masaya! Pinakamasaya! And you show everybody what that is. Oh, it's a money bouquet. Let's give another round of applause!
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo? Ayaw? Yeah, BGM. Mas maganda
Picture mo.
kasi pwede naman siyang i-steal eh.
Okay, masaya! Mas masaya!
Galaw-galaw nila nung
Pinakamasaya! Pinakamasaya!
thank you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Lloyda! Ready?